These days, the only thing that could possibly get me to go to an IKEA store would be the promise of meatballs or Halloween merchandise. And I did find some Halloween merchandise as we're walking through the stores. Starting with these mugs, it looks like we've got, I like that little green monster mug. It kind of reminds me of Frankenstein. And then, of course, a nice jack-o'-lantern mug. It's pretty nicely priced at only, what was it, $2.99? This pillow is pretty cool too. It is the shape of a ghost. I love that. It's very dramatic. And we also have a ghost blanket for $20. Like that it is actually reversible. So you've got the white with the black ghost on one side and black with the white ghost on the other. Now, the problem with all this IKEA merchandise is it's spread out throughout the store. Very hard to find. But in the lighting section, we did discover a few more items. We have a light-up jack-o'-lantern. That's actually kind of cool too. The little neon style ghost, a light up wreath. Now, a lot of this merchandise is kind of generic. The light up tree. I mean, this is merchandise that we can see everywhere. And I don't think that the price point, especially like $17.99 for that, would really justify the trek out to IKEA for it. We've got some paper ball jack-o'-lanterns there, some string lights here. And if these string lights are $12, was that right? That is way too much for that. I'm thinking $5 should be more the appropriate price point for that, but maybe there's something missing. I mean, it's kind of hard to tell. The box is not that informative. Another paper-style lantern jack-o'-lantern. This one's single and a bit larger. They did have one up on the display. There it is, hanging way up high to lure all of the unsuspecting shoppers to the Halloween merchandise. So just to take a look again at some of these price points, I do like that lamp for $12. I kind of regret not buying that actually. But this other merchandise is a bit overpriced. I don't know why like everything has this Custofer label on it. I don't know what that means. Maybe it's generic Halloween in Swedish, who knows? Or maybe that just indicates some sort of holiday merchandise, but I feel like they should have a lot more. But like I said, it's hard to find anything in the store. Everything is just on random shelves throughout the whole place. So let's go ahead and take a look at their website as well. That might give us an indication of more of the products. Here we can see there's another lantern. I like that draping ivy plant in the black. It's only $4.99. That's actually kind of cool. It could help fill in some of your Halloween decor. Some of this merchandise up here at the top we've seen. We didn't see the skeleton pillows. I like that. Ghost bowls, again, we kind of see those everywhere. The spider tea light holder, kind of generic. There are those paper lanterns we saw, and it looks like they've got a lot of those little tea light options. There's a mummy, a cat, all the other things. I didn't see the mug in that monster face, but there was a plate. Look at that black and white striped pillow. That's kind of Beetlejuice. I like that. Spatulas, that might have been in the kitchen utensil section. I probably overlooked. The candle that had the bats on it was kind of nice. They have napkins with all kinds of designs. I like the face on that ghost candle. I'm not really sure what these black things are. I guess they're just thinking, hey, it's black, it's kind of Halloween, throw it out there. Oh wow, look at that. I like that cushion cover that makes it look like a bat, but honestly, I bet that fabric just sort of lays flat and it's not even going to look like a bat in real life. That Boo pillow cover, though, is pretty nice, and that floor mat as well. A couple of different totes. It looks like most of this stuff, though, is out of stock or unavailable. But that's going to do it for our trip to IKEA, virtually and in person today. Really like this big grizzly bear on the way out. If you'd like to see more Halloween videos, store walkthroughs, DIYs, product reviews, and more, be sure to subscribe. Till next time, thanks for watching, everyone. Take care, and happy haunting.